Braised beef with white radish. Peel off the white radish skin. Cut into cube. Cut the leek into pieces. Cut the ginger into slices. Chop the garlic. Cut the beef into cube. Fermented bean paste. Soy sauce. Black soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Mix it. We use Shangchu collection, 2,500 milliliters hot pot. Add in some oil. Stir fry all the ingredients until fragrance. Add in the beef and some rock sugar and stir evenly. Pour in half a bowl of water. Add in the pre-mixed sauce. Add in the white radish. Stew for 30 to 40 minutes. Lastly, sprinkle some coriander.